What's up, guys? We're right here boogie boarding, about to catch a gnarly wave, dude. Ah! No! I fell off. Wow, what the heck was that? We got Frankie here. Oh, guys, the fucking water's getting cold. Oh! Yeah, the water's pretty chill. It's not that cold. Well, I got out, that's why. Here we go. Hopefully this is a big one and we catch it. No. I'm gonna catch it. For the fam! Nah. Yeah, Frankie! Catching the little baby waves. Come on, Freddy! This sand is like in my shorts. Ugh. Alright, so we caught that one for you. Here comes another big one. Hopefully we catch it. You guys didn't get all sandy. I just caught that gnarly wave. Now I'm laying on the sand, and now all the sand's getting in my private. Yeah. Now I gotta wash you guys off. Got Freddy here. Freddy's being a little girl. Here comes another boogie boarder. She's a girl. Hopefully she boogie boards with us. See what you got, see what you got. Go. Hit that again. Are you gonna catch some waves with us? Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's better to, because you never know, not that a shark is gonna,
Yeah.
I just think it's better there.
Yeah.
Safer.
Huh? Body glove. Huh? I'm gonna catch one for you guys. I'm gonna catch the next one for you guys. I'm gonna catch this one, dudes. I'm gonna catch this one. No, I'm not. It's already crashed. Here we go. Here comes a big one. Pretty sure it's big. Oh my. I just fell, but